Welcome back to Tightwad Workshop. Big news today, I've achieved my first YouTube payday. I won't be resigning my day job to concentrate on YouTube full-time just yet though, because I'm only making about $1 a day. If you're a long-time viewer of the channel, you'll probably recognise this as my go-to textbook for all things woodworking. As a special thank you gift to all of you that made this payday possible, I bought this brand new copy of Woodworking in Theory and Practice to give away. This is the metric edition. If you prefer to measure things in inches, I've also got this copy of the 1972 edition. If you'd like a chance to win one of these textbooks, just leave a comment on this video indicating whether you'd like the imperial or the metric version, or if either one is fine. I'll be using this YouTube random comment picker to select the winner, and I'm going to tick this filter duplicate users option so that everyone who comments gets exactly one chance to win. I'll keep pressing this pick another winner button until both copies have been claimed. I'll draw the winners on Christmas Day in between our family Christmas activities. Because I can't commit to a particular time, this is just going to be a regular video, not a live stream. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Tightwad Workshop is filmed in front of a live studio audience. In case you're wondering, I had a skin cancer removed a few days ago. There are 7 stitches underneath this plaster and it still looks a bit yuck. I'm going to be fine. I had the same thing done on this eyebrow a few years ago.